So it's going, but this is not showing it
Yeah,
going live. Oh, is it going live now?
yeah. Yes,
But
now
it's
it's going
black.
live. I know
Oh,
it
there
will
we
show,
go.
Yeah, it's
it will
okay.
refresh.
All right. There we go. And then I think on X, is it?
Yep, you're there.
Yeah. Uh,
The cameras are all messed up on the YouTube stream, it looks like. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
you need to stop.
yeah. Okay. All right. So I'll stop sharing. And
Yeah,
then here,
camera is also good.
and then this guy looks like the tandem. It's too big. That's a little better. What in the heck? Dude, OBS sucks, man. Gotta say.
It will take some time for you to just.
No, but it keeps losing all the settings, right? The settings just keep resetting because, anyway. All right, well, I guess we're rolling now. I think people saw my stream key maybe on X, but I don't know if we have any viewers on X, so maybe that's all good anyway. Oops, what am I doing? All right.
Okay. Able to see you on YouTube.
Are you? Okay.
Great. Yeah.
Okay, YouTube. YouTube. So you have to explicitly go live on X and YouTube. That's kind of sucks.
Kind of.
Okay, and today we got no viewers. Oh well.
I think
It
it
will
took
take.
it takes a little bit.
Yeah, so to get into the algorithm, so it will take some time.
All right, and then you guys are seeing this on. All right. Okay, come on, let's go. Checking U.S. region.
Yeah.
Oh,
No US.
I'm tired.
Yes, I'm on US.
Oh man.
All I see is you trying to log in still. It didn't log in for me first time. I had to close it and
Yeah, the login flow was a little bit jacked. It was a little delayed. You had to press it multiple times. Did that happen for you guys as well?
What build again?
6374.
6374?
Yeah. Yep.
God damn it. I think today's just gonna be one of those days, guys. God damn it. It's just, everything's starting off jacked. Alright, let's go. Alright, so you want to test out contracts, right?
Yeah.
And
I need your feedback on contracts today.
okay, we picked up a few watchers on YouTube. Not as high as yesterday, surprisingly, but we've got 5 watching on YouTube, and then how do we check if for people watching on X? Let's see.
X. Oh, just.
Okay. Looks like we got maybe 13 viewers on X. So for some reason a little higher there, even though is pretty much dead. I've got like 2 followers on X. That's all good. Alright. Well, let's see. So we got 4 of us. You guys want to go duos?
Yeah.
Duos! Alright, and let me get some weapons. Oh, it looks like I'm already...
Mine's still downloading, so you guys can run one without me.
Oh, in the store, does the are we rotating? Is that working? Is item rotation working?
I think it
Yeah,
is,
right,
but
right.
we're supposed to set a cap, right? Like you shouldn't be able to just buy like 50 guns. There should be like a limit.
Check that out. Okay.
Yeah, it's there in the tickets, gameplay station tickets. The amount. We can limit it out.
Alright. Well, we're waiting for Eamon. Alright.
Yeah, it's still downloading.
Okay, so Perry,
You could go without.
I'll invite you since Josh is better
Yeah.
than probably both of us combined. Ooh, which, let's, I don't know how the meal rewards is working. I'll have to check the spreadsheet for that. That's that. Oh, that went over. Okay. So Ambrose duos. Josh, are you set for Ambrose duos?
I'm ready to go.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
You know when to start
Now for our
searching.
audience, let's go.
Searching.
Let's go.
For our audience, you can see
So-
in the lower right hand corner, our UI's all jacked up. We got a new UI coming in next week, and it's pretty sweet. But right now, yeah, this is kind of like dev UI, and then this house with these locked rooms, that's gonna change too. Alright.
No, actually, no. So first contract would be care package. It was added later, so it's not in the selection screen right now. So
Yeah,
we'll
there's only
update
like
it
3.
after we'll finalize. Yes, I had got it to care package right now. Yeah.
Get ready for the.
For
5,
anyone watching,
4,
let's see.
3, 2, 1. Match start.
Guys, we lost some viewers on YouTube. Although I think we picked up a few on X. Contracts in.
Yep. Or a while ago.
It was
No,
a
that
DMT, right?
That was
DMT.
DMT, not Warzone.
Our players to do is mid-game to vie for the contract, and we also have included this notion of having a variable reward, meaning that the contract is going to change every game. Although we're testing this contract. Perry, what does this contract do? Can you explain what the objective of this specific contract is?
Sure. So regarding this contract, so when this contract will be active, so there is a package which spawned in that specific area. It will show up in the minimap. So you'll have to go over there. There are boats spawning in like different waves or states. So and it will go till 1 minute. After 15 seconds, a different wave of bots will spawn and try to shoot the package. So you need to protect that package and shoot all the bots. The player who shoot most of the PvE bots will get the contract as a successful rewards. So
That was a
yeah.
confusing explanation, Perry. Were you really a streamer before? Come on, man.
This package is
Simple,
kind
the
of
much simple
it's
version. Thing
confusing.
spawns, bots try and kill it, you stop the bots.
There you go. Josh, I dub the streamer. Hey, we're stuck at 0%. What's going on? Do we?
Oh, did you have that loading issue
Yeah.
as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't restart. Avinash did fix the rejoin issue. I had to rejoin too.
Okay, so do we quit out of here? Oh shit. Okay.
Oh, no, you can just quit. You can just quit the game and load it back up and then click reconnect.
Looks like I'm tweaking my values here, dude. Freaking OBS, man. I don't know why people like this so much. This is kind of. All right.
You can have different settings for your own audio and others' audio.
It doesn't save properly. It's all jacked, dude.
Oh.
I don't know. Maybe I'll switch to. Nah, it's not worth it. If we keep doing this for a while, then maybe I'll switch to Restream or what is it called? StreamYard. One of those things. We'll see. If we get to 50 viewers, which we are a very, very, very far away from, then maybe we'll. Oh shit! Why are we getting more views on X than YouTube? This is the opposite of what happened yesterday. That's odd. Alright, so do I need to quit out?
Yeah, just exit the game, load it back up, and rejoin. And it should rejoin.
Reconnect to the game, yes. Okay. So, what was the nature of that bug drop? Is that...
Oh, this bug in general? I don't know. I mean, it seems to be like it. For me, it loses connection to the server, which means then it doesn't finish loading. Because of all those colors.
Seems like it's a little bit shorter, but I do think it should be even shorter still.
We need to figure it.
I don't know, man. I think freaking drone crazy, man.
I feel like I never run into them. Maybe because they're always going to you and you're killing them.
Drone attractor.
JK, your game audio is so too loud right now. Can you just lower it down from OBS?
Can we save these settings, guys? Oh yeah, we should do that because I set this lower last time, yesterday, but it didn't save. So we're not.
Yeah.
It does save. It's just when the accounts get reset, it resets
Okay.
the data.
Okay, so our accounts got reset, but my name's still the same.
And my name's
Not
the
account.
same.
Because we uninstalled the build and we downloaded it again. That's the reason. Yeah.
Okay, so that the
Cube
settings
is
are
spawning soon.
saved client side, not
Local.
server side.
Cube is
Yeah, the local
Yeah.
side.
Be
Dude, the
careful.
cube already came.
Enemies may be there.
WTF?
Oh, that's not right.
All right. Hey, Eamon, can you fix the backend settings?
Yeah.
All right, just so people know, we do have settings that we change, and we're just messing around with a lot of these settings, so we're not sure yet what when different things in the game should occur. So we're testing. Okay, I should have been killed there because that guy totally had me. So there's at least some of the.
Hi.
What the heck? And then getting next to this thing, this was jittering. Record. This thing seems to. Should this thing be jittering?
JK, come over here.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, I'm just trying to get. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I was trying to get the game to like jitter around.
Which branch is this, Josh?
We're in development backend.
Okay.
Hey, is your cap supposed to be sideways, Josh?
No, I think it's supposed to be forward.
Yeah. Okay. So I think there's a problem with your cap being on. Sideways.
Oh, is my cap sideways at the moment?
Yeah.
It's forward on my screen.
Wait, in which spots do we have? Do we have rules based or do we have
Rule based, yeah. Still rule based.
Okay.
Oh,
easy,
I had no
easy,
shield.
Josh.
You know, that's a cool shirt, the black shirt that this has. Maybe we should make that.
Wait, I clicked spectate. Why is it loading? Okay. Oh my god, we need to fix the XP for weapons. I'm level 7 already on the MP5.
Oh man.
That was too easy
Yeah.
to get that high.
Yeah, that comment's like we made that comment a bunch of times, so I think yeah, I think we'll just get Wow, those are a lot of bots over there for some reason. Are those players, is that PvE or is that PvE?
PvE.
I mean, it's still AI, but, you know, are they...
It's a area bot PvE.
Okay.
With a white uniform.
Hey, the controls are off of the UI now when we're spectating, so that's good. Thank you, Yesh Punya. I assume that he was the guy that did that. Yeah, I kind of like this shirt. All right. This is so odd why we have no one watching on YouTube and we've got 3, but I think maybe 2 of them are us. And then on X we've got more. This is kind of odd. Oh well.
The X does have a chat on it or not?
I think it does. I just don't know how to see it. So maybe I don't know if KJ's watching. KJ, if you're watching, can you figure out how to chat into X? And then I can mess around with freaking OBS here and see if we can figure out how to get the chat in.
Just exit real quick. So this is the broken bridge.
Okay, so this PS6 is pairing for anyone watching.
Yeah, I reset my name and account and everything too. So it's my name with 2 N's.
Get him, boys. Get him.
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Amy,
Use
can
the
you check
shield.
the back end settings so we can the
Yeah. I clicked the submit. It's saying Josh, it's saying something about the version in this field is required.
Oh, yeah, you're using archive version. There's a new version.
Okay. Well, can you update it then? Because I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it says archive up at the top corner. Yeah, this was the link I had. So
Yeah, I had the same issue, and I went to brief him like, "What's going on?" He was like, "Oh, that's archive. There's a new version."
oh, okay. Can you send me the updated one? The link.
Yes.
Looks like we need to work on communication a bit.
Yes.
Oh yeah, the
I
shrine.
had no idea.
They lowered the shrine. Oh, that looks much better.
Yeah.
That looks better.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna leave and check out the shrine.
Yeah, I extracted.
For anyone watching, yeah, guys, we never have communication problems at our studio. Yeah, it's fully, you know, everyone knows exactly what's going on, right, Eamon?
Yeah.
Is that how much? Should we have it lower, or what do you think?
To me, it looks good.
It looks good. Okay.
The ball to be lower or the text?
And then this, like,
Yeah, the text.
this
Yeah.
cement stuff. I don't know. Is it a little bit too clean, or do you think it's okay?
I'm assuming this floor and all of this is placeholder, right?
Do you like it though? Should it be
No.
something like that, or should it be like? I mean, I think our ref was more like dirt and things like that, right?
Yeah, I think it'd be cool if it was like the ground was kind of beat up a little bit, make it look more real, make it look a little bit better. Yeah, this looks pretty clean. I don't know if this is placeholder or not, but
But that sucks.
I mean, fish was so good.
I think people don't know the rarity of the weapons by color, and especially when you're starting off. So when you go to some of these machines, I think there should be more text description about what you want. Otherwise, it's just like, okay, you're not quite sure what you got. You guys know?
let me go see. I think I know what you're talking about.
Eamon, can you invite me?
Yep.
How's it not able to get a much better weapon than through the claw machine? Maybe I should try to sniper it up.
Oh no. Claw machine crashed my game.
It's going to give you too good of an item, so it had to crash.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. You took my gun, didn't you, Parry? Oh, I didn't take that. You took my MP5, didn't you? My rare MP5.
I have already rare MP5.
Oh, so you didn't take it?
No.
Okay, so yeah, because I'm seeing it here and I can buy it back. So I just wanted to make sure that, did you take it or not?
No.
Did you take the G95 I had?
No.
Okay, then at least me being able to buy it back is making sense so far.
Yeah.
Hey, Emmett, did you create a new? I still see your Eamon with just one hand account. So that was.
That name was, yeah, no, that name was taken. I don't know why. I signed in with my Apple too, so yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I have a feeling that text soft launch for us might be longer, and especially once we get more players, we're going to see dramatically higher flows.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys ready to jump in?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eamon, you left the party.
I did? What? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I see we're going against the monkey squad, are we?
So we both have that skin.
Yeah, you're
All
both
right,
a
Ambrose
monkey.
duos. I'm readying up.
Okay.
Ready up now.
Sajay.
Ready, ready. Ready, ready. Yeah, that is a pretty. I think that's a pretty cool outfit, though. So maybe we should put that behind a battle pass or something. So the actual contract. So you've hard coded it, right? So it's which contract are we doing again? Same one.
We're
I got
doing the
kill
care
boss.
package right now. We didn't interact with that, so we need to interact with once.
5, 4,
Wait, it just showed kill boss for me though.
1.
Yeah, that's because they're not
Oh.
all in the list at the
Yeah,
moment.
the
Oh,
one that's
okay.
actually gonna go is the one when you start combat.
Oh, okay.
Care package.
Okay, so we need to keep. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on the care package when it's enabled, because that's just activated. Like
I think it's
bo-
mainly 2 or 3 locations. I think it's either farm, diner, or in the town. Those are the locations it can go.
Oh yeah, I think sprint lock still. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it in. Is
Still
that
far.
configurable or are they doing that?
Yes.
Yep.
You can configure it in the settings.
Oh, in settings.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'll do that later.
Yeah, all the guns hip fire is glitched. When you jump, the hip fire zone gets smaller. I don't know why it's doing that.
But yeah, Eamon, the one thing they're gonna start to do is have the like when you have the cube, the amount of time you need to be at an exit, and the amount that the cube carrier slows down. They're gonna make both of those configurable, so you'll be able to.
Okay. 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 Yeah, I think the exit time right now is 5 seconds, which I think for even if you don't have the cube, is too short. It should be 10, and I think it was 10. I don't know why it was changed.
I mean, I think in other games that's more than 10, right? So like 20 plus, like Lost Light, games like that.
It's around
don't
10 or
think so.
15. I
Yeah.
mean, Big as 10,
Yeah,
I think
it's-
Lost Light is also 10.
10.
Yeah,
Yep.
I'll have to check that. Oh, snap.
Yeah, I remember the cycle used to be like super long though, because you'd have to wait. You'd have to wait for the ship to come.
So that's weird. Ah, what the heck? Oh no, he was there. How did I not see that guy?
Sure.
He doesn't know how to. He doesn't know how to. Wait, he's invisible. Ah! Okay, the AI does not know how to kill me.
Oh, that cooldown is too fast. No way.
How much it is?
The cooldown for the comm station is too fast. Oh,
Is so bad.
alright, this is about to be a crazy drop.
Okay, package is active. Oh shit! It was
Or
on
is
the
it- oh,
other
it's in a
end.
town. Oh god, it's in a town. That's the first time I've seen it in the
I'm rushing to it.
Oh, it's definitely. Whoa, that's far away.
Yeah, it's normally never there, so it's a bit rare.
When are you coming?
Yeah. Trying to get some shield.
It's hard to catch up. We only have 1 minute to save that care package.
When was this one designed? I don't remember it being designed.
It's been there for a little while.
The weightage of care package is less. That's why it's not coming in the selection. Oh,
Dang, there's so many of these guys.
nice.
They're not even like. They're like.
No, they're trying to shoot
It
through a
will
wall.
come.
They are
They have
bugged
full health
out.
too.
Will come in
Dang.
waves.
Yeah, I'm about to die. Find you, Perry. Got him.
So what do you think? Is a PvE too hard?
I think for
I don't
this
think it's
one we.
hard. I think it's just the health.
Well, I think for this wave-based one, we shouldn't use the same PvE. They're just way too tanky.
Yeah, package complete. We complete Evan.
Nice, let's go.
Great.
What do we get? Does it drop loot here, or we get the reward post match?
Post match. Oh shit. One is sniping.
Hit one.
Small.
So I guess the PvE no longer. Whoa, shit!
Oh.
What's up with that?
Got him.
Oh, you got a shotgun.
Oh,
Yeah, I headshotted you.
Yeah. I don't know why, but every time I shoot, it goes into ADS mode. And
What the? Whoa! The grenade was glitching out. It was. I threw it on you, and it was just doing 1 damage consistently, like super fast.
there is a.
That was actually a fun sniper battle. He was like in the window. We're sniping
Yeah.
at each other. That was cool.
gonna pop your head.
Oh damn! Nice. I shot him.
Where?
Oh,
comms?
okay, with that sniper shot.
Near the
Damn.
package location. You can see that.
Oh, I
Don't
see him.
look at the screen. Don't.
Crossing road. Oh,
Headshot. Let's
Yeah.
go. I quick scoped him. Wait,
nice.
This
I wish
this is the disadvantage of streaming.
The cube is
I wish.
no.
I don't
Then
have
I
your stream
knew
open.
location.
the cube is rewarded.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Nice.
Enemies may be there.
Wait, I wish
But
kill cam
still,
was the thing right there. That was crazy. I popped up and headshotted him. Quick scope.
Alright, I got these
What?
black. Hey guys, check out my screen. That's not a bug, right? All these black faces.
Yeah. That's
Oh, yeah.
post match lighting.
Need to get Tamaz in there to fix it.
I cannot wait for the new UI screens, guys. Yeah. The loading screens, everything. I think it's gonna be so much better.
Yeah. Perry, I'm dropping you medkit.
Okay.
there.
So
Yeah,
I
Thanks.
did not get a chance to interact with the contract at all. Do you guys have contract feedback? Because I do not.
I have.
It was all right, but the bots, they had too much health for the PvE. They
Yeah.
had way too much health, and also, I always liked the idea of the contract dropping loot in game, as well as rewarding you post game, because we just completed it, and
Yeah.
That was that.
You know what I think we should do is we should create 5 tiers of PvE bots at least, right? And they should have different settings, and depending on the victory road ranking of the players, they should get Well, no. Actually, it should not be based on the player. It should be based on the matchmaking. So the matchmaking should also determine which quartile of PvE that you get. So quartile meaning like the, split into 5 groups from bottom to top 20%. Do you guys see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Run.
So I should add that to our matchmaking algorithm.
Oh my.
So based
Yo.
on the matchmaking score,
No.
it'll determine the PvE quartile. Okay.
That was crazy, Perry.
Yeah, I was trying to shoot
all
them.
the throwables dropped. And I got blown up. I got flashbanged, smoke grenade, and all those guys spawned on me and killed me. And I'm slow too, so I couldn't sprint away.
See, I think this kind of shows our game could be pretty fun. Like, if you guys had this much fun in Arena Breakout or Lost Light, I never have. You know what I'm saying?
No.
So if we can just pull this shit together, we'll have a decent game of mobile.
All right, I think this is way too slow. I don't know who put these values in, but this is so slow.
What's slow?
Well, I'm holding the cube right now.
Okay. Okay, so PvE difficulty. This is area bots. We should have
Wait.
at least
Oh, that's
5
not good.
levels of difficulty. Determine which quartile of area bots we associate with a match. Okay, bugs. Oops. Okay. Where'd it go? Alright, edit message, bugs. Post match screen. Characters have black faces. See screenshot. Alright.
Oh, I thought like this contract, this should be interactable. Like previously, like JK, when you and me were there, so it was like failed without even interacting with the contract itself.
I don't know,
So
man.
we should
I
go.
I totally missed the contract, so I had no idea what happened with the contract.
It auto starts, so if no one's there, it just starts. No one has to interact with it. Start the process, which basically leads to it failing about 95% of the time.
Okay, should we jump into another match? Maybe I can. Maybe you guys let me get to the contract so our very few viewers can see what it's about.
Yeah.
So, okay. I think on X we can see the number of views, but we don't know the. I think okay. Okay, I think concurrent is 5, but we have 30 viewers, so 25 kind of checked us out and then bounced. Alright, it's all good. Good. It's interesting. We had a lot more yesterday. That's interesting. Okay, you guys ready?
I'm stuck at
Already
90%. Dang it.
You're stuck at 90% for what?
In post match. So yeah, leaving match.
Oh, we did have that problem yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday with me. Yeah.
Perry, could you follow up on that bug? I mean, that's a pretty critical bug. So, if you can,
Yeah. Actually, Yash was looking into it, so you need to figure it out. I'll follow up on that.
Okay. And I will add that in our. Okay. Block I'm gonna. Okay, so you know in our design team doc for I'm gonna call it blockers and bugs. So post match, screen, and to round stuck at 90%. Okay. Alright. Let me know when you're ready, Eamon.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let me invite Perry back.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to do the same map or different? Oh shit, we got a lot more maps. Red Rift, Oasis, Shooting Range.
Let's test it out in Ambrose and try to,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, you guys ready?
interact with. Yep, I'm ready. Eamon, you can
Yeah.
start it out.
Yeah, ready.
We need
Alright,
new
searching.
we need new art for the different maps, right?
For the icon in the map menu.
Need
Yes.
map select art images. Get Tarun in on that one. Okay. The contract is not kill boss bot. We're gonna do that same one, right? Is that right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match start.
Care package. Let's go.
Like at 90% again. Yeah, the servers really aren't that stable at the moment. I don't know what's happened. Never used to get this issue.
Which one, Josh?
Just the servers, like trying to connect to them in general. Like sometimes I get like 500-600 pings, and then it just throws errors, and then I can't. It doesn't finish loading. It's like I lose connection to the server. But I've played on US before on older builds, and we had no issue. So this is a relatively new problem.
That's a new one.
Okay,
Another new bug is when you have gear that boosts your max health, you don't load in with max health.
Oh yeah, that's been there for a while.
Well, I remember it was fixed, but I guess it's back now.
I don't remember it ever being fixed.
Maybe it was just for a build.
Maybe it was on like a test branch, but then
Yeah.
it never got launched.
Are we gonna ever have more options for the insight machine? Otherwise, I don't think we need to have the option to choose.
Oh, it's supposed to just not have any option. It should just mark people on your map.
Okay, so the UX flow for insight machine needs to be updated.
Are we going to add more options?
More.
No.
Flow for insight machine needs to be updated. Only one option is available.
Oh, it also. Oh wait, I forgot. We have other fake players in here. Barry, I'm going on my mark.
Shit, I got a call in 10 minutes with somebody.
Oh.
That's all right. We can wrap this one up.
Yeah, we can wrap this.
We got very few people watching today, so no big deal. Alright, where's this freaking contract?
It hasn't started up yet.
Well, actually, yeah, I mean, it shouldn't be too fast anyway. So okay, now.
There you go. Started. Oh, it's in the town again.
Okay. All right. Okay, looks like I bet you those guys are going after Vault.
Yeah, which means they are.
Harry,
over
are you in here?
So that's
Yeah,
that's
I'm
actually
here.
kind of
I'm
cool
just.
for having the vault, because then it's like, okay, do you go for vault, or you could intentionally say, okay, I know that these guys probably are gonna go for contract, so I'm gonna go for vault while they go for contract. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I think someone's up. I think they've upped the health. It never used to take almost two mags to kill a PvE.
Yeah, but at the same time, they're still kind of dumb. Like, I was just shooting this PvE guy,
Oh.
and he wasn't doing anything.
Yeah, they have no aggro, which is a big feedback I wrote about our whole PvE. It's all lacking aggro.
Okay.
I gotcha. Oh, I don't have that one though.
Okay, and these bots are not good at detecting. I think their pathing's all messed up. Because he couldn't see me. You guys are definitely not the best.
Oh, someone's coming up behind us.
Who is that there? Okay, is this a what is this? Is this a contract? What's going on?
Yeah, it's the cab. Again, we don't have real art for it, so it's just a vault. You have to protect it and kill all the bots before they destroy it.
This is very confusing. So, Harry, the care package contract, you don't know what the heck to do, man.
Yeah.
So there should be like a tappable thing that explains it. There should be like some pop-up that there should be a timer that shows how much time is left to protect it or something like that.
Right.
Yeah, but this is kind of basic. Do they really need us to like say, hey, come on, guys, some common sense stuff should be there. That's come on, you know what I'm saying? Perry, you can do this. You can just look at it and say, dude, let's use some common sense here.
We already have that. I've already.
No, I
Sorry,
lagged. I got headshotted. Dang it.
Yeah,
No.
buddy.
That
Got you from the same
sucks.
window. Got you from the same window.
I know, I lagged and then I was like, what? And then my tandem froze, and the next thing I know, I'm on the floor. That sucks.
I crashed out.
Oh.
All right. Well, all right. Feedback. Okay. Shit. All right. So let me know when you guys are out, but I would say feedback, care package. There is no instructions, and it's very confusing what to do with this contract. There should be a tappable icon to explain, and a pop-up modal should also tell player what to do. There should be a visible timer to show how much longer players need to protect the package. All right.
Yeah, and all that information could be done by area based. I think, like only if you're in the area, it's going to show that information to you.
Yeah. All right. Who is this dude that I'm talking to today? The fuck? I have no idea. People just show up on my calendar. All right. Okay. So let's summarize feedback. Eamon, do you want to start?
Yeah, a couple things. The heavy Q makes me way too slow. Like it was literally like as if I was knocked and crawling.
Okay.
And then the extraction, we already talked about it. The time, it should be 10 seconds, and for the cube runner, it should be 15. Right now, it's at 5 for both. And then a couple bugs. I crashed with when using the claw machine, stuck at 90%. And then the other one, you don't load in with max health when you have gear that boosts your max health.
Okay, for me, I have that problem we had with the post-match screen. Characters have black faces. It's not a critical bug, but something there. I think on the PvE difficulty, we should like do this thing where we have different levels of PvE difficulty based upon the matchmaking level. The map select art images, we need to get new ones for the new maps. UX flow for Insight Machine needs to be updated because there's only one option. And the care package, Perry, I think like we should be looking at it when, well, I think there's probably a design mistake. So I don't know who spec'd it out, but yeah, we should probably include what the message is and kind of like what that UX flow should be. I don't know why that was not there. So there's probably a design spec problem where things weren't properly specified, but there's also a common sense problem from engineering. So there's just got to be more dialogue, guys. This is a communication problem, right? So there's probably a spec problem and a communication problem between engineers and designers where it shouldn't be like, hey guys, gameplay test this when we know it doesn't make sense, right? So there should have been a conversation, like have them talk to me and I can spec it out. You know what I'm saying, Perry? But it should not have come to this point. Like it should have actually. There has to be a reasonable implementation of this shit. Otherwise, I mean, this is we're just wasting time. This is bullshit, right? So let's not do that.
Okay.
All right. Who's next? Perry.
For me, it's most of them are control customization. So in House and Realm, the position of the controls are not good, and when I landed in the combat, my game controls just broke it out. It was a messy. So in post match, most of them, and I have a strong opinion on care package that it should be like interactive. To activate.
Yep.
After that, yeah, HUD to show okay, so over here like there should be a HUD which shows what wave boat wave it's active right now and how many boats are remaining and who is the highest boat killer in the lobby.
Okay.
That stats will need to show it up. Yeah.
Josh.
Yeah, so for me, care package, obviously, like same area, like it should be interacted first. It shouldn't auto. Obviously, the health for those PvE were way too high. And again, we should probably try and mix and match the PvE types a bit more. So the different weapons to make it a bit more interesting. Now that we got that explodey kind of PvE, we can maybe put him into one of the waves. So you just get at the last wave or something, him just running out, trying to like blow everyone up. That'd be kind of fun.
Okay. All right, guys.
And
go ahead.
Bug-wise, obviously the DC issue, you also had it when we loaded into the first match.
Yep.
It just happened. That's happened to me a lot lately. And so for now, I don't know what's happened, but now every time I shoot, it goes into ADS mode. They used to be setting to turn that off, but now I'm always stuck whenever I shoot in ADS. So I can't hit fire anymore.
Okay.
Okay, that's a task already added in the engineering sprint, so it will get fixed soon. Yeah, you'll see
Okay.
the changes.
All right, Perry,
Yeah.
you're gonna put all these into Jira?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, guys, I think that's it. Stop streaming.